Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change BMW 1 Series brake pads only way. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the handbrake, then place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels to secure the car. Gather a 17mm socket, C-clamp, new pads, brake cleaner, and gloves. Loosen wheel bolts, lift with a jack and support with stands. Remove the caliper, replace pads, compress piston, reassemble torque bolts. Prepare tools and safety gear before you start so the job goes smoothly. Use a torque wrench for correct wheel bolt torque and a 17mm socket for most BMW 1 Series calipers. Keep brake cleaner and a drip tray handy to avoid spills. Wear gloves and goggles and work on a flat surface with stands rated for your vehicle. Double-check parking brake release before lifting the car to avoid complications. With the wheel off and caliper exposed, first loosen the caliper guide pins and slide the caliper off carefully. Inspect the rotor for deep grooves and measure thickness. Replace if below minimum. Compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp while monitoring brake fluid level in the reservoir. Install new pads with anti-squeal paste where recommended, reattach caliper, and torque bolts to spec. Bleed brakes if the pedal feels spongy and test drive cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.